Hi, I'm Marilyn McPhie, and I'm going to show you how to make a puppet that's also a snack. It's a banana dog. There are two things that you need. Of course, the first thing that you need is a banana. And the second thing you need is a knife. Now, you can use a plastic knife, that'll be okay. If you use something sharper, you'll probably want to have a grown-up to help. First thing you do is you take your knife and you cut off this end of the banana. So you end up with something that looks like this. It's just a little round thing. Then you take your knife and you cut that in half. And now what you have is two little half circles, like that. Save those, you'll need them. The next thing you do is you go about 1 inch back and you want to make two V-shaped cuts with the V pointing toward the front of that banana. Those cuts are maybe about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch long, something like that. Keep in mind that they're going to be ears. One cut, and then the second cut. Then you take those cuts and you flap up that banana skin. So now, as you can see, you've got ears, right? Then you remember those two little dots? You take those and you nestle one in each of those spaces. Those are the eyes. So now you've got a banana dog with 2 ears and 2 eyes. But you got to figure out a way to make this banana dog talk, right? So about 1 inch back of those ears, you're going to want to make a long U-shaped flap. Take your knife and cut maybe about 3 inches long flap. Remember, you're cutting into the skin, but not very far into the banana. Okay, there's your flap. You release that from the banana and you've got it like that. Now, when you're going to manipulate it, you don't want to lift up like this. You want to just pull back. But how can your banana dog talk without a mouth? That's the next step. Take your knife and you're going to start cutting here at the front of that banana. And you're going to cut a nice, longer than you think, mouth. And how do you make the banana dog talk? Well, let's see if this works. Some bananas don't talk as well as others, but we're hopeful. Take the flap, pull it back, and sure enough, if you're lucky, your banana dog will talk. So, your banana dog can tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was an amazing banana dog. You can play with your banana dog puppet as long as you want, and when you get tired of it, well, it's also a snack. Yum. And that's how you make a banana dog. Thanks.